हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और हम आ गए हैं पूरी भगवान जगन्नाथ के धाम पे। सो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ मंदिर, और ये गेट से बाहर थोड़ा निकलने के लिए खोलना पड़ेगा। सो हाँ, चलो चलते हैं। एंड आई वुड ब्रीफ यू थ्रू आउट द होल जर्नी एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई वेंट थ्रू जगन्नाथ टू विजिट जगन्नाथ एंड हाउ डिड आई रीच जगन्नाथ। तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि हाउ डिड आई रीच जगन्नाथ टेम्पल। सो इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, देन आई स्टे इन मुंबई, और वी टुक अ ट्रेन फ्रॉम Lokmanya Tilak terminals to Puri. The name of the train was LTT Puri Express, and it took us 2 nights to reach Puri. So overall experience of reaching through the train was good because you get to see various destinations. Or after 2 nights, of course, we would be tired, so I have took a property on rent near railway station. So if you see, अभी ये जो रास्ते से जा रहे हैं, it's pretty much very close to railway station. You could just say like 5-10 minutes from rickshaw through the railway station. By the way, in Puri आप कोई भी रिक्शा लो कहाँ भी जाने के लिए, the minimum that they charge is 150 rupees. So ये सबसे मिनिमम है। अब वो स्टेशन से कहाँ भी जाओ, मीन्स इनसाइड लोकल इन पूरी, दे वुड बी चार्जिंग यू 150 rupees. So yeah, now we go ahead, and if you see, I'm going through this Puri. By the way, this bike that I've bought here is under 350. It's taken on rent. The charges here for the bike is 1000 rupees. अगर आप नॉर्मल सादा बाइक लोगे तो मतलब 500-600 के आसपास मिलता है। एक्टिवा भी 500 रुपया फिक्स्ड है। एंड अगर रॉयल एनफील्ड का कोई भी बाइक लोगे आप तो इट कॉस्ट यू 1000 bucks. सो इफ़ यू सी ये वायर जो लगा है, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स कनेक्टेड टू माई GoPro कि बैटरी मेरा ड्रेन ना हो। एंड या वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स पूरी टेम्पल। और यहाँ के रास्ते, इफ टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आर वेरी स्मूथ, लाइक इट्स जस्ट heaven to ride here. I did not find any holes, spots, anything. It's pretty smooth that I found the roads to be. और शायद से अभी हम आएंगे सर्कल के पास। नहीं, टाइम है थोड़ा। सो हाँ, तो अगर आपको पूरी टेम्पल जाने का है तो यू हैव टू बेसिकली गो टू ग्रैंड रोड, एंड दैट्स वेयर आई एम हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स। और ये सर्कल से अगर सीधा आ जाएंगे तो आएगा सी बीच रोड। बाय द वे, इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय अ बाइक, यू वुड हैव वेरी गुड ऑप्शंस इन सी बीच रोड, बिकॉज वहाँ पे जो बाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक इट ऑन रेंट, यू गेट लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस ऑन सी बीच रोड दैट्स स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम हियर. So yeah, this road, as you see, would take me to Grand Road, and of course this would lead to the temple. So yeah, so few things to note about before going to temple. It's their policies. So if you're going to a temple, of course you have to keep your mobile phones, because there are no mobile phones that are allowed inside the temple. And the second thing that you have to note is, if you are wearing shorts, then they would not be allowing you inside the temple, because it should be full jeans that you have to wear and no sleeveless. That is the policy of temple, and only Hindus would be able to go inside. So because of this, I would not be able to take any videos inside the temple, but surely I'll give you footage of how the Puri temple is, and I'll surely give you darshan of the temple from outside. So these are the policies that you have to follow. So Don't forget to wear full jeans if you're going to temple visit, or else you would not be allowed to go inside. Now, the next thing that we'll talk about is the history of what the temple is. So, since we are going to the temple, there are four gates that is there in the temple, but we would be entering through the main gate. That's the Singh temple, like Singh gate that we usually talk about. And there is also a gate that is for locals, but of course we would not be able to, like, we can enter. I have tried multiple times to go. Of course we could also go through the local door, but if you're going for the first time, it's better that you go from the main gate, because there is some history about 22 stairs, which shows or represents your weakness, and as you reach the god, you should like overcome all of these weaknesses. So yeah, so now from here, when I take right, you would come to your the road, the next road that would be coming is the Grand Road. Yeah, and the Grand Road has just arrived, and you have to go on the left hand side to go to the temple. By the way, this is pretty much for like systematic that I feel the ones want to go left, you could go easily. And this straight road leads us to the temple. And if you could see, you would be able to see the temple now. ये रिक्शा हटेगा तो दिखेगा. And yeah, there's a temple. Of course, it's looking very small from here, but this is I'll go ahead. You would be able to see the temple. There you go. So this, if you see, is the lane where your Jagannath Rath Yatra also comes out, and this is only the lane where the Bhagwan ka Rath basically goes around. And I have to talk about some things based on like since I've come on June, by the way, on the left it's the Mosima temple where the Rath comes till. One more thing that you have to know, that if you're coming to temple, your rickshaw won't be able to drop you till the end. So अगर आप आ रहे हो, remember that you take an electric rickshaw or a bike to reach the temple, because the rickshaw would drop you to a point, and from there it's quite a distance of walking, and if you have older parents with you, then it would be a problem. So I'll just show you that what the last point that the rickshaws would be allowed till. And after that, if you do not have any electric rickshaw, so this is the electric rickshaw that I was talking about. So, or you could take this also, rickshaw. But yeah, the normal rickshaw that you see that's on my right, you would not be able to reach inside. There is a specific point that you would be stopped, and then you have to go walking from there. So yeah, if you see, this is the point, and the rickshaw cannot go beyond this, and you have to take a bike or an electric rickshaw to reach inside. Now to your left, if you see, there are some logs kept, और ये जो logs है, that's are specifically kept for the Yatratra that's gonna happen in 2024. And I'll also show you some shots of the wheels and the Rath that is being made. So yeah, to my left you could see the logs that would be used to make the Yatratra. And yeah, on the right hand side, this is the entry, and this is where the logs would be made. And on the right hand side, you could see that there is this wheel space. That's the wheels or the Rath of the Lord Jagannath. और यहाँ पे जो ये बना है hut जैसा, this is where the wheels are being made, and this is the view of the Jagannath temple. So up को मैं अच्छे से दर्शन कराता हूँ सामने के गेट के, और उसके बाद मैं खुद दर्शन करने जाता हूँ। सो टू एंटर टू द मेन गेट यू हैव टू वॉक ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग। अभी अंदर बाइक्स भी नहीं आ सकती। देर इज़ ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड देयर वुड बी एन ओपनिंग गेट, यू हैव टू कीप योर मोबाइल फ़ोन्स उधर ही। यू वुड हैव मेनी ऑप्शंस टू कीप योर मोबाइल फ़ोन्स एंड चप्पल। और अगर आप देखोगे दिस इज़ द एंट्री। सो एक बार बोल दो मेरे साथ, जय जगन्नाथ। Hey guys, welcome back. And I've just had amazing darshan of Lord Jagannath, and I just came to cruise through this street where you get different traditional stuff that you find in Puri. So the darshan was amazing, and it was a wonderful experience to come here. But the only thing that I did felt weird was the pujaris that were inside the temple, because just remember that if they give you something like any prasadam or anything, they would upfront ask you for money, which I felt quite weird. But yeah, the second thing that we have to talk about is the prasadam that I had. That was amazing. So the prasadam, if you talk about, you would get as you exit the elephant gate, and on the right you would have something called as Anand Bhavan, in which you could get your food. By the way, I exiting after the elephant gate, I went towards the left hand side where there was Anna Bhavan, where you could sit and eat your food. And yeah, again the last view before going of the Lord Jagannath. And yeah, that's it for today. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and comment if you have to say anything. So stay tuned for more videos on Puri and Odisha.